What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You watching Leaky Honda. So I have a confession that I need to make. It ain't no confession. So here's what we're doing today, man. I gotta clean up the old Civic in the interior because I've been working on it a lot and it's a total mess. So we just need to clean it out a little bit. But there's something that I definitely wanted to bring to you all's attention while I do this. So as you can see that I just showed you, the wiring in this car is a complete hack job. This is how I got it. I don't know what's going on up under here, but I just want to rip every single thing out of this car as it relates to the wiring and rewire it. Even if I have to put like a switch panel, which I probably will, in here and operate everything via the switch panel. But in order to do that, I will need to get like another display, another ECU to run it, a standalone system so I can rip it all out. That would probably be the best thing to do. And another thing that I'm going to do is rip out all of this carpet, rip out that shit headliner and rip out everything, rippity rip. So you may be asking, why do I want to do all of that to the Civic? Well, it's because I think I'm going to make it into a drag car. The Vet is kind of like my street car. We're not going to use that necessarily as a drag car because it can get very expensive. So I think I'm going to use this old beat down Civic as a dedicated drag car. I think it should be fun, or at least drag strip car. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to at least make it look like a drag car. So what would that actually mean? Well, stripping the interior out, definitely want to do that. Changing the steering wheel, definitely want to do that. Ripping out all of this shit wiring and creating my own wiring panel, which I probably can even just buy one with the relays, because all I really need is a fan, which I already got hooked straight up, fuel pump, which I already got hooked straight up, and ignition and whatnot. It's really quite simple when you look at it, when you don't need all of this extra stuff. Headlights, I mean, I can even rewire those and put them on the switch as well, rather than using this factory wiring, which is a shit job, a shit show. I think that's the next thing that I want to do to the Civic. Well, let me correct you. It's not the next thing I want to do. That's pretty much like a long-term goal. The next thing that I'm going to do to the Civic is start thinking about the motor. If I want to keep it B-Series, I'm thinking about getting like a Ramey block and building that up and put that in it. You can get those for like $1,700 online. Put some rods and piston in it, probably some Wiseco. And I got, probably need like a VTEC head. And we got like 1,000 horsepower. Add some fuel system to it. For really not that expensive. Not as nearly as expensive as it would take or as it took to do that one. So that's pretty much what I want to do to this particular car. That way it gives me something to do in like my spare time, and as well as it's a project, because I really don't drive this car. I don't drive it at all. I just go out, tune it, play on it, beat on it for about 5 minutes, and it comes back parked. So why not make it into a primarily drag car, you know, that I can run on the street every now and then? Because this build is kind of shit right now, but it gets the job done. I gotta go get some plugs. Gotta remember that, because it ain't moving until I get some more plugs. Those other ones were pretty fouled. If you watched the last video, you saw that I've done a compression test on each cylinder. It was like, that's another thing. It was like 190, 195, 175, 200. So that third cylinder has a variance, which I'm not surprised, because the reason why I replaced the pistons before is because I busted a ring, so I just kind of honed it out, stuck another piston in there, nipping and scat rods. And hey, it pulls strong, so we're gonna continue to rock it like that. I'm just saying that I really want to build this car out to make it something special. So while I'm playing around figuring out an engine, I can start doing the other stuff. Now the wiring will probably be most likely the last thing that I do when it comes to, oh, it's so messy, when it comes to building it, because I still want to jump it in every now and then. You never know, I have to move it back and forth. But the wiring is coming out. We're gonna have it clean looking, at least as clean as I possibly can. I don't know, or maybe I should just sell this one and get a whole different platform, Honda that is, to do that with. But we all know I'm not gonna get that much money out of this, so I may as well keep this one. The only thing, this fender is dented over here, but I got a whole new fender out in my shed. That ain't no issue, which if I paint this again, I may as well go on and put that on. I need to do something about the hood, which I don't even really care about no hood. That's just there to keep rain from in it. Rain from in it. Ultimately, we can pull the hood off too and run no hood. So in essence, it's a B series now. So I got to determine on whether or not I want to stay B series or go K. K seems like it may be the most reasonable solution, because on a stock block I can get about 600 horsepower, wheel horsepower, and in a little car like that with weight reduction, it'll be tremendous. I just got to get a lot of stuff to run it, but I'm getting a new ECU and all of that wiring anyway, so I don't know. That may be the logical answer. And then eventually I'll put rods and pistons in it, and there you go, we got a beast. So that's the plan for the old Scoot, the Civic EF. Let me just say what the name of the car is. The name of it is Scoot. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe for more build on the Civic.